Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new method to make money in the easiest way possible. You won't be required to do any type of marketing. You don't need to have any followers on your social media account, and you don't need a platform for any sort. But most importantly, this method won't require to have any skills or experience. Isn't that great? Now remember, I'm going to be guiding you throughout the entire process in this video, so make sure that you watch this whole video from the beginning to the end so you don't make any mistakes and so that you can successfully earn your money immediately. Before we get into this today's video, welcome to Flatter Treasure. I want you to support my channel by giving a big thumbs up below. I post new money making methods every single week. So guys, if you don't want to miss out any future uploads, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and a fresh strategy to make money online. Also, you'll be one of the first to use it. Okay, the method that I'm going to share you today will pay you for your own thoughts and opinions as well as your time. On your browser, just type cjinc.info. This is what you should see on your screen right now, and as you can see, it says here creative jobs work online. Earn online, because I know you have enough skills. If you have few hours a day which you can spend it in front of your PC and execute small time bound and highly payable tasks, that you are at the right place. We recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenges, who are innovative and self-confident, and you seek immediate responsibility. We'll pay you for time if you are free to join. Yes, we are free. This website claims to be worldwide open, so no matter wherever you are in the world, you can easily join in on this and earn money for yourself. And then, as you can see, number 2 shows all the feature jobs you can do. There is market research typing jobs, proofreading, translation, and online teaching. They'll have different description, so you can read through them one by one. Now, if you think it's a little bit sketchy because you never heard of these websites, which is completely understandable, then I would like you to put your attention on number 3. This consists of their testimonials, which means proof of people actually making money of this. And if you notice, they're all from different parts of the world, so you can choose to read from any of these 3, and they are basically just sharing their personal experience with creative jobs. So you can go ahead and read that to reassure yourself that this isn't a scam or any of that sort. Now that we have gone through the whole website, let's bring our attention back to number 2, and I want you to click on proofreading. To those who have no idea what means it's basically reading any type of paper and making sure there aren't any mistakes or changes that needs to be done before the actual submission. It does need to have English skills since you are going to be proofreading, but that's an easy skill to acquire, and most of you probably already have the skill. But if you don't have that skill and you still want to try this method out, then you don't need to worry at all, because I got you. I have a tool for you that you can use to proofread anything at all, and no matter how long this tool is going to be, the one that this changes and finds all of the mistakes and make all of the changes and what you need to proofread from top to bottom. Just imagine how cool that it is. We don't even need to proofread anything yourself, because this tool will do it for you. Now remember that this tool is 100% free, and the next part of this video, I'll be showing you to copy a random text or article from the internet and change it a bit so that there will be mistakes, so that I can show you how the tool would work, so you'll know what to do. And remember to stay tuned until the end of this video, because you'll regret it if you don't stay. I'll be talking about this method in detail, so make sure to not skip either. By the way, if there are some other things that you would like to try out, but aside from proofreading, then you would do definitely. If you know how to do other of things listed on here, that you can go ahead and give it a shot. So before anything else, we need to sign up first so that we can apply to become a proofreader. You look at the most top part of the web page and then hover your mouse over career. Then you'll see some options pop up. You're then going to choose proofreading jobs, since that is our focus in today's video. Once you have clicked on that, this is what you have seen next. On this page, you're basically going to see all the other information on proofreading, then explain what proofreading is, the job nature, job rates, and as you can see, it says here that they pay $5 to $10 per page or $1,000, which is a lot. Then they talk about your expected earning per month, which is always a nice thing to look forward to. Then eligibility, same job work, payment, registrations, selection procedure, and lastly, they have a short disclaimer that says CJ Inc. is not an employer but the recruitment agency. We introduce enthusiastic and skillful people to the online or offline employers. That's something to keep in mind. So that's basically the content of the whole page, and you can be through all that information which we require to do so. Before proceeding to that, it's clear to you, and if you have any other questions, then this might just answer those questions. So make sure to read all of that before anything else. Right after the disclaimer part, you will see this apply for jobs button, and then you are going to go ahead and click on that, and you'll be brought to this page. You're going to scroll down a little bit to see that they are going to need to download the application form. So go ahead and do that before continuing. That you'll see this Google form right here, which serves as the application form or registration form. You're going to have to fill this up according to what they are asking. Make sure you don't miss any details so that you can push through with the process properly. You're going to select the job you're applying for, which would be proofreading, of course, and then continue on filling the rest of your personal information. You can see the payment methods, and PayPal is one of them. So if you have a PayPal or any of these three, then that's good. But if you don't, then make sure that you open an account so that you can get paid. Once you are done filling the whole thing up, you can go ahead and click on submit right away. Make sure that you double check everything that you're provided so that there will be no mistakes in spelling or words or anything like that. So there will be no errors. Now that you have submitted, then let's go back to the previous page and focus our attention on the sample job work part, which is basically where they're explaining that they are going to give you an article with mistakes on them, and you're going to have to proofread and correct all of the mistakes out there and make all the changes that are needed to be made. This is where what this tool we are going to talk about which comes in, and I want you to pay close attention on this part, or else you are going to have to do your proofreading manually and you might not get accepted. The tool that we are going to use for proofreading is Grammarly.com. It does the job really well, so you can trust that this website really does what needs to be done. Now this tool is 100% free and available worldwide. You're going to have that add Grammarly as an extension to your browser, and for that you're just going to click the button that says add to Chrome, and it's free. It will then take you to the web page where you're going to have to click to add to Chrome button. Once that's done, you have to go ahead and sign up on Grammarly, and you can start using Grammarly on different platforms right away. What you are doing is, what you are seeing right now is a Google Doc file where I have prepared a random short article with errors in them, and as you can see, you can click on those words with mistakes that are underlined. You can click on them, and then the correction that needs to be done will be applied. Once you have done that, you can now submit that article to the creative jobs and start earning. So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Bye. See you soon.